Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, unplug the cable and open Settings, then Battery. Once there, locate the Charging subpage. Many Oneplus models list Fast Charge or Warp Charge. You will toggle that setting off to stop high current charging. Make sure you use the original adapter and note the current state before changing it, because some phones have optimized charging that behaves differently. Once you see the Fast Charge toggle, switch it off and plug in to verify the change. This prevents the phone from drawing top amps. Once done with the main toggle, adjust secondary controls. Enable battery saver and turn off background, sync to lower power demand while charging. You can also swap to a lower watt charger or a standard USB port, 5V at 1 to 2A, so the phone cannot negotiate high current charging. Make sure to close heavy apps like games or navigation because they force the device to accept more power. These steps change the conditions that trigger fast charging, not just the label in settings. You finish by testing, plug in and monitor charge rate, watch percent per minute or battery icon for any fast charge label. If the phone still fast charges, restart the device and recheck the toggle. Sometimes a reboot applies the setting. Make sure to try a different cable and lower watt adapter to isolate hardware negotiation. Troubleshooting tip: if disabling settings fails, clear system cache or visit service support. There may be firmware or hardware negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.